Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 6. In question number 6 it is given that the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. We know that their present age are in the ratio 5:7, and if we want to know their present age, we simply have to remove this ratio sign and multiply this value with any variable, say x. So age of Hari will be equal to 5x years and the age of Harry will be equal to 7x years. And according to question, in the next statement it is also given that 4 years from now, means after 4 years, Hari age will be 4 years more than what is his present age, and Harry age will be 7x plus 4. And it is also given that their ages will be in the ratio 3:4, means whatever the ratio of their age is will be equals to 3/4. So this has become a linear equation. We know that how to solve this. Simply cross multiplying it. When 4 is multiplied by this term and 3 multiplied by this term, this will be equals to 20x plus 16 equals to 21x plus 12. We can shift this variable to that side and this constant to this side. Solving further, so 16 here, 16 is already on the left side of equals to sign, and when 12 is shifted to this side will become minus 12, and 21x is already on the right side, and when 20x is shifted to that side will become minus 20x. So when this subtracted from this will give 4, and this when solved with this will give x. So the value of x is 4. We know that the age of Hari is 5x, so the age of Hari must be 20 years, because here the value of x is 4, and the age of Harry must be 7 into 4, which is equals to 28 years. Thank you.